Hello traders. Today we're examining the Isha V10 indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. And I'll show you how this multifunction tool displays on your charts. At this point, I'll quickly load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, once loaded, the Isha V10 indicator displays multiple visual elements on the chart, which include signal arrows and information panels. The indicator combines several analytical functions into one package, providing a comprehensive visual overview of market conditions, including trend direction, potential reversal points, and momentum readings. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. The settings for this indicator typically cover multiple parameters since it combines several functions. We can see the source, the ATR timer, ATR multiplier, show entry marks. You can also see the alerts. We can choose to set alerts. And then we can also choose our preferred colors and trade on our preferred time frames as well. Now, who's this indicator for and what are its limitations? The indicator is designed for traders on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 who prefer an all-in-one analytical tool. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Multifunction indicators can sometimes produce conflicting internal signals, so use critical judgments and additional confirmation when making any trading decisions. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.